Hi, Russ Gaspard here for MUX 1405, and I'm here to show the second iteration, the second prototype of my GigMeister app. So I took some user input from the first usability test. I got some interesting feedback. One user said, some people have more than 1 gig per day. My app will only book 1 a day. So I didn't get to do that. Others were more general, just asking for more features. I need a place to record payment information, which of course I had always intended to do. Usability things that I just hadn't been able to get to, like making the keyboard retract. I did handle that. And so I think I made some pretty good improvements based on this feedback. And I'll just show you. So if we're going to book a gig here on the Wednesday, detail view comes up and the cursor is immediately put right there. For you to input the information, and you can save it. And again, it's just grayed out. It's penciled in but not confirmed. Now, the big change was, I've got a new view controller. If you want to deal with the times, then you click on either one of the times, and now I've got the start time selected, so I can say, okay, the show is supposed to start at 10 p.m., and then I can hit the call time and say, well, if it starts at 10 p.m., then maybe I better be there by 9:15, somewhere around there. Make sure I'm set up and everything. And I can also come into the terms and say, type in some notes about how that's all supposed to go down. And it saves it all back to this screen. Now if I just hit the back button, it'll lose it all. I have to actually hit save to make it come back and save all that information. And then lastly, when the gig is locked in, I hit the confirmed button and save. And now when it comes up, it shows up green in the list. So those are the improvements I made to the app. A few different things. Just getting the keyboard to retract. I built this nice icon that I thought was a little more clear than just a done button or something. As far as visual communication is concerned, and that shows up on the other screen as well. I did do another survey, and I asked a couple of different questions and asked for some different tasks. I had them book a gig at a venue, but not confirm it. And then I had them open back up to show that they already booked and input the call time and the start time and the terms and the notes view, which is some functionality I didn't have worked out last time, so I added that. And then finally had them confirm it and then take my survey on the About page. So everyone seemed to think it was pretty intuitive and easy to use. It seemed like the biggest comment I got was everybody wanted a traditional calendar view. So I'll have to figure out how to add that. But I think the app has definitely improved, and I can see that doing multiple iterations and doing some user testing is a great way to go. And I can bring up, here's my Google Doc with my 7 questions. It was 5 questions, but now on the second version of it, I did keep everything from the first one, but added a couple of questions. And into Illustrator, and drew out how I would redistribute things on the multiple screens, and it was pretty helpful, and I think it's getting a lot better with each iteration. I think another round or two it'll really be onto something. So look forward to see what's coming up in week 4. Thanks.